My name is Ritchard. I'm from the factory of this alignment machine, Shenzhen 3 Excel. This is a Chinese high-tech company. I'm very proud to work with our official authorized dealer, Car Compute, to introduce you this latest 3D alignment machine. Basically, this machine is designed for very easy to use and long time no maintenance. And here I introduce you the very simple procedure to operate the machine. You got a very animated picture for you to prepare the alignment job. Drive the car on the leaf, level the steering wheel still, and install the target. And click next. And slowly drive the vehicle to the right place and make the four targets appear in the view of camera. Next, you're going to select the vehicle that you are going to test. For example, we choose Toyota Prius 2012 to 2014 and click next. And this is a pre-check for you to check the tire pressure, the suspension, everything alright. And then you click next. Push the vehicle backwards for 10 centimeters and then return the original place. Now we going to do the caster swing. Turn the steering wheel left 10 degrees and right 10 degrees. It's non-stop operation. So you go to the center of the steering wheel, click next. Now you finish all the measurements. You get alignment data on the screen. We have two kinds of display. The other kind is all graphic. So it's easy to understand the reading, the measurement. And we also have, if the car needs to adjust, we also have the adjustment help to tell you where to make the adjustment. Also, if you want to make the adjustment for your convenience, you can raise the car to a higher position. So then you can stand up to make the adjustment. And click next. After you done your adjustment job, you put the vehicle down and click next. And this is the front axle adjustment, same as before as the rear wheel adjustment. After this, you get a lot of function, which is to help you to diagnose the car if the car was a crash or they have a problem on the chassis. For example, this is the chassis checking to tell you if the car's chassis is in square. Many other functions is they are just needed for the experienced alignment job. Next step, you will go into the final step to make the report. You go type the license number there and put the customer name. And you can save the report, data save, and also make the print report. Print. By this way, you finish all the job. So this machine, basically, the operation is just next step. You know, very easy to use. I think this machine is competing with the very latest technology of 3D aligner, and people can use this aligner with every kind of lift, 2-post lift, 4-post lift, scissor lift, and even underground pit lift. They are working with this alignment machine. And we have two models. Basically, we have two models of this aligner. One model is fixed to the ground. The other model is mobile model. So you can let this machine working in the different bays, like this. Like this model with a trolley. So you can move in different bays, between different bays. I think that's all for my introduction.
Thank you, Mr. Richard.
Yeah, thank you.